Okay, so this is how to use Inkscape to clean up your Canva SVGs part 2. If you missed part 1, go check it out on my page. So we've taken our design and we've separated it out down to the path level here. And as you can see, there are a lot of them. And you can see when I highlight one, it shows me exactly what I'm looking at. So the first thing I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna click this little eyeball on layers that I suspect I don't actually need, like this one, which is just the red shading. And I can just click on it and click delete to get rid of it. I'm gonna repeat that process for anything that I think I might not want to use. This just makes your SVG simpler for cutting later on. Now that I've narrowed it down, I wanna group together everything that's the same color to make it easier to cut later. Now you can hold down Shift and click, then right click and select group to group like layers together. Repeat that for everything you wanna group. You can even right click and rename to name your SVG. Now file, save as, Inkscape SVG. Happy crafting!